Hi there, Melody from WTI. Check out this cool SURPHY iPhone 13 case. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. Love this color. It's plum. It comes in so many other colors. You can be picky, go pick a color. This is made out of silicone. So as my son would call it, bendy. It's very, very flexible. More flexible at the top than at the bottom because at the bottom it gets thicker. So if and when we drop our phones, it's going to absorb the impact better. Awesome. It's not slippery. You know, it's pretty good. It's not going to slip out of your hands. And I love, even though we don't see it, the back of our phone is going to be sitting on this beautiful microfiber soft material at the back. Love it. And I also love all the cutouts. Now, all the cutouts are perfect. You're not going to be missing out anything. It's high enough that it's going to protect the cameras. I love how the cutouts fit perfectly too, so you're not going to be messing things up when you're trying to turn it on and off, or up and down, or whatever the case may be. I just love this case. Like I said, you need to go out and get yourself one. I also love the fact because it is made out of silicone, it's perfect for wireless charging. See, it's the perfect iPhone case for you. Go and get yourself one. That's my point of view.